Hello and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how to set up the new checkout that we have for our Pixel Perfect site builder. So the first thing you're going to need to do here is go down to where it says beta. This is going to be our super checkout. If you click this button here, you'll come to your back end for your checkout where we can create products, create offers, and manage our affiliations. In this video, I'm just going to cover how to create a checkout, and in the next video, you can see that we will talk about the affiliation system. So here we're going to go to products and just create a product. So for this product, we're going to have to give it a name. You can select the type. It could be digital or physical. I'll just stick with digital, and then you can select a category here. And then also there's the possibility to enable affiliation, which I will do, but I will only configure this in the next video. Make sure that you select a payment method here. You're going to have to set up either Stripe, PayPal, with certain things that they require from those services. So you're going to have to go to Stripe or go to PayPal to get the information. I just use simple Stripe test keys here. And then I'm going to set up all of these here. You can set up the refund period, obviously set the price for your product, and as well you can select the taxes additional that you would like to do, and then configure the affiliate levels. I will come back to this in another video. And if you live in Europe, you're going to have to enable VAT, but for the purposes of this video, I will leave that alone. We will have more templates in the future, but currently at the time of me making this video, we only have one, so I'll just keep this one. And this is very important here. These are the 3 pages that you will correspond with your checkout. There's a thank you page, which I select. The page where you want to sell the product, which is where they will be redirected to your checkout. I'll just make this the home page. And then the page where the visitors will request affiliation. This is going to be a separate page, and I will select the affiliates page. Next, you just select a mailing list. If you have a restricted area, you can configure it here, and then accept the terms of use to create the product. And real quickly here, I can show you how to create an offer for that same product. You can set a certain discount total. I'll make it a 10% discount for the purpose of the video. It could have a different thank you page than the other one, or it could just be the same. And also make sure that the sales page for this, it could be the same, or if you want a different sales page for a specific offer, you can do that as well. And if you had a second product that you want to bump sell, you could click here, and then it would list the products that you can use as a bump sell here to select. And then you just save this offer, and now you have an offer created for the same product that you just made. And then finally for this video, I'll show you here, you can see all payments that people have made and bought your products in this window. All right, so that's everything you need to know about setting up your checkout initially. Please stay tuned for the next video where I will talk about affiliations for your products.